You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
Now let's start with lab number 48, which is about verifying if emails can be sent between the forests. So first I'll navigate to my Nita WKST01. I'm going to resume this virtual machine. Now you realize why I have my machines on suspend, because if I need to go back and forth, I do have them. But when I don't need them, they are in a state of suspension, which means that I don't have to spend time restarting them and worrying if the services will work or not. So on this one, I'll navigate first to my Google Chrome, open a new incognito tab, and yes, before I do anything else, one additional step, click on Internet Options. On the Internet Options, click on Security, click on Trusted Sites, click on Sites, and add https://netaexch02.netsoftacademy.com/OWA/ or just add it, and also if you want, you can also add the ECP part. Yes, why not? Now, one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link here, and I'm going to just quickly go on my browser, go to a private tab here, navigate to netaexch02.netsoftacademy.com/OWA/. Now, what that does is it helps us navigate to websites easier and trusts the website for us. Now, NetSoft Academy/administrator. Now, I'm going to log in as the administrator, quite frankly, because I'm going to send an email from administrator@netsoftacademy.com to administrator@neta.local. Password 1350. All right, so click on New, to administrator@neta.local. Administrator@neta.local. Subject test email, and this is the first email between forests. Now I'm going to send this email. Remember that this email could take a little bit longer to send, but you notice this, that it's already gone. So now we have to verify if this email was actually received by the administrator at neta.local. So first, again, remember that all of my servers were on the state of suspension. So I'll have to first make sure that all of my servers are actually working. And while I'm here, I'll also have to get my workstation 1 available for myself. See, these are all just small things that in the long run are not really a big problem for me or for you or for anyone. It is just that doing this makes life a little bit easier in terms of management. So on workstation 1, once workstation 1 loads up, I'm going to first sign in, and I'm going to sign in as neta/administrator, not this thing here. Neta/administrator and password 1350. I'm going to sign in first. And once I signed in, I'm just going to go to the browser, that is Google Chrome or some other browser, and just do the remaining task, or just verify if the email is visible there. That's it, nothing else. So I'll wait for this. Now my Google Chrome, I'll open it. Now I don't really need to do anything. I can just click on mail directly. And luckily, because I was logging in earlier and I was working with all of these users earlier, let me also zoom out a little bit. Maybe 150 would be a good zoom size, I guess. Yes. administrator, password 1350, enter. And I should see the email from administrator again. And do you see this email? You see, this came from NetSoft Academy, and there was this next to it. This is, please avoid printing this email until and unless it is required to do so. This is the mail tip, or this is the additional append statement that we get here, and the action items for this. And that means that our mail flow is working flawlessly, and that is a successful email chain happening between two different forests. And that is also the end of this lab here. So I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.